to Before 5 with your host Shara. So today we're going to be making a pineapple strawberry sparkle. So let me know if you had a pineapple strawberry sparkle down in the comments. I personally haven't, and we're just going to go right into the ingredients here. So today's ingredients, we're going to be using the LaCroix sparkling water. This is how the sparkle comes. We are going to be using a bit of lime juice. You already know I love my Torani syrups. So we're going to use Torani pineapple and Torani strawberry. And also we're going to use ice to make it cold. Alright, so we're just going to go right into it. We're going to actually put everything inside of a mixing glass, and then I'm going to pour it into our beautiful glass over here. We're going to do 1 tablespoon or a ½ ounce of lime juice. And the next ingredient is going to be 1 ounce of pineapple syrup. So we're going to do a whole ounce of pineapple syrup. Oh yeah. And then we're going to do about 1/4 ounce of strawberry syrup. This smells really good, by the way. Which one do y'all like better, strawberry or pineapple? Let me know that also. Between the two, that's a tough decision because I love me some pineapples and I also love some strawberries as well. Oops. And then we're going to use 8 ounces of the sparkling water. Whew. Here we go. 8 ounces. And I'm going to go ahead and use this to measure with, because it already has my measuring metrics on here. So we're like at 1. I'm going to add it all the way until it goes like 9. And it fizzes up really, really well. So this is the reason why we're actually going to stir this drink instead of shaking this drink, because of the fact that it has the sparkling water in it. If we were to use a shaker, it would kind of like pop in our face with all the fizz. And as y'all can see, it's still a lot of fuzz at the top. I'm just going to let that go down a little bit. And as y'all can see, I let this go down a little bit, and I'm going to use my stirrer to go ahead and stir everything up. Alright, so y'all see that I went on ahead and stirred all of this, and then the fizz actually went down. I have added some ice into this, and it really smells delicious. This is definitely a drink for everyone, all the ages, because it's technically just sparkling water and syrup, so you definitely can share this with the kiddos or people that don't like to drink. This is definitely a good mocktail to try out. And we're using our strainer, and we're going to go out and pour. Ooh, that is a beautiful color. Yes. So we're going to use our glass Sam straw and do a taste test right here with you on the show. Yep. That is really, really delicious. Like I said, all the ages can have this. If you all love pineapple with a hint of strawberry, this is definitely the drink for you. Once again, this is called a pineapple strawberry sparkle. And thanks again for watching another episode of Before 5. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's grow this channel together. Have a wonderful day.